not going to waste your time. Here are 5 unique ways you can use Vaseline to step up your grooming game. From DIY fragrances to skincare hacks, Vaseline is more versatile than you think. Let's get started. Tip 1. DIY fragrance balm. First off, let's create your own fragrance balm. Melt a small amount of Vaseline in a bowl, then add a few drops of a manly essential oil like sandalwood or cedarwood. Mix well, let it cool, and apply it to pulse points like your wrists and neck. This DIY fragrance will keep you smelling great without the heavy cologne. Tip 2. Beard moisturizer. Next, use Vaseline to keep your beard looking sharp and well-groomed. A small amount applied to your beard can tame flyaways and give it a healthy sheen. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Tip 3. Chapped lip savior. Don't overlook your lips. Apply Vaseline to prevent chapping, especially in cold weather. It acts as a protective barrier, keeping your lips hydrated and looking good, which is essential for any guy. Tip 4. Soothe dry skin. Vaseline is excellent for soothing dry patches on your skin, especially on elbows and knees. Rub some into these areas after your shower to lock in moisture. It's an easy way to keep your skin looking fresh and healthy. Tip 5. Tame hair flyaways. Finally, if you're dealing with annoying hair flyaways, Vaseline is your best friend. Just take a tiny bit and smooth it over the top of your hair. It gives a polished look without that greasy feel. And that's it. 5 practical ways to use Vaseline that every guy should know. Give these tips a try and let me know how they work for you in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more grooming tips.